Okay, so studio photos can look flat or lifeless if we're not careful. Today, I'm going to show you how I get natural looking shots with people from all walks of life. Tip number 1, something I like to do is start with movement and not stillness. I would say nothing kills energy faster than telling someone to just stand there. You can start by having them walk in place, adjust their jacket, or even fake a laugh. Motion unlocks expression. Another helpful thing is just having a friend there to bring humor or laughs out of your clients. Tip number 2 is talk more than you shoot at first. You could even start with giving the order of the shoot just so they feel more comfortable and they know what's next. The thing is, like, if you create comfort, that's the game changer. You can get way more once you actually get to shooting, informing them what's in your mind. Help your client see the vision. Tip number 3 would be to show the energy that you want. If you want confidence in the frame, I would say don't just stay quiet behind the camera. I'm guilty of this too. So what I'd like to do to combat that is, so you want confidence in frame, you show it. You be like, yes, that's it. You hype them up. You are their hype man as well. Models feel what you put out. So if you put out unconfident energy, you bet they're gonna feel that. Tip number 4 is do not obsess over the first 10 or 20 frames. Let the first few minutes be a warm-up and let that be known that you're taking test shots, I like to say, personally, I like to be like, I'm gonna take a few test shots, see how my lighting is. Then they know why you're fixing your light. Then they know, like, you're moving your light back and forth. You're finding your sweet spot. Anyone will forgive you for that. Tip number 5 is play with your prompts, not poses. Instead of saying, put your hand on your neck, what do I do? You should say, pretend you're fixing your necklace. Even if it's not there, even if it's imaginary, they can do something like this, I would say it definitely makes the photo feel natural. One thing to always keep note is that you can't always jump right into shooting. You need to connect with your client first. Let's say maybe they had a long morning. You can reassure them that their clothing choices were indeed really great. And personally, that's what I want to do on every shoot. Connect with your client. Make them feel like they had a good day. How would I want my photographer to make me feel? If you made it to this part in the video, comment a dinosaur so I know who you are, so I know who's the real ones. The next video I think will be how to be comfortable as a client on set. There's things that you can do to help your photographer. You can already have your poses mapped out for you. We're gonna do this next, we're gonna do this next. I feel like that really speeds up the process of the photo shoot. Some of my clients are amazing clients, They are very prepared, and that's what I love about them. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, but peace.